Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to create professionally Facebook page on your system. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and type or click on the icon of the Facebook or type the facebook.com and then click on the profile picture and then click on the see all profile option and then click on the create page option. Click on it and then select the public page and click on the next button. I want to create a new page, then click on the get start button and then write your page name carefully. My page name, my shop page, and then select the categories from the category option and then write the bio and then click on the create button and write your contact number and then scroll down and type the email and then type your address here and scroll down, type your city name, then scroll down, type your postal code here and scroll down. This is the hour. You can select one option from here, then click on the next button and to add your profile picture, click on it and select the one picture and then click on the open button. Scroll down and select your cover photo, click on it and then select a cover photo, click on the open button. It will take time. This is your cover photo and then click on the next button. Click on the skip button and if you invite your friend for your page, click on the next button and then click on the done button. You can see here your Facebook page has been created. And to create officially a Facebook page, click on the setting option and scroll down, then click on the page detail option and scroll down. You can see here you can add area service, you can add WhatsApp number and you can add website, social link and so on. You can see here. So how to upload your video and photo, click on the photo video icon and you can select photo or video from here and you can post on your Facebook page and you can create story. So how to log out from your Facebook page, click on the profile picture and go to the log out option, click on it. You can log out from the Facebook page easily. So if you have any question about how to create a Facebook page professionally, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.